Moving to the further video module of cosmetic dermatology. Today we'll deal with the use of moisturizers in cosmetic dermatology. First we'll see what do you mean by moisturizers. Moisturizers, the main role of moisturizer is the hydration of skin. Moisturizers hydrate our dry and xerotic skin. And what are these types of moisturizers? Basically the types of moisturizer depends on type of ingredient it contains. Also the types of moisturizer depends upon the function of ingredients, and types of moisturizer depends upon the basic mode of action of ingredients. So the moisturizers are classified depending upon their ingredients, depending upon the function of ingredient, and depending upon the mode of action of ingredient. Basically there are two types of moisturizers also: oil based moisturizers and water based moisturizers. Type of ingredients: depending upon the type of ingredients, moisturizers are the occlusive moisturizers. In this occlusive moisturizers, it contains the oily substances. Another one is the humectants. In this humectant moisturizers, they are the highly water absorbing property. They are having the water absorbing property and they are water soluble moisturizers. Another one is the emollients moisturizers. These emollient moisturizers, they fill up the spaces between the corneocytes which are present in the stratum corneum, the outermost layer of the skin. And the fourth one is the lubricant moisturizers. This lubricant moisturizers lubricates the dry skin. So depending upon the ingredients, its function and its mode of action, the moisturizers are classified in the following manner. What do you mean by xerosis? Xerosis is nothing but the dryness. This dryness of the skin result due to decreased water content of stratum corneum, and which is the outermost skin layer. Normally the 10% of water is present in the stratum corneum, and this 10% of water hydrate the skin normally. But when this water content is reduced, then there is xerosis, and which results in the dryness. And for this xerosis and dryness treatment, moisturizers are required. What are the actions of moisturizers? How moisturizers act and how, according to their mode of action, the further moisturizers are also classified as they have the number one property of moisturizing action. All moisturizer hydrates the skin, and this is one of the most important action of moisturizers. Another, they have the anti-inflammatory action. Moisturizers also have the anti-inflammatory action. Because of that, they treat the contact or irritant part to the skin, and again they helps in the hydration of the skin. Third property of the action is the anti-pruritic action. Many moisturizers also have the anti-pruritic, anti-itching action. Another one is the photoprotective action. Most of the moisturizers in collaboration, in association with the sunscreens, they have the photoprotective action. Another is the antimicrobial, matlab antibacterial action, and another is the as an antioxidant action. So these are the six most important actions of moisturizers. They are moisturizing actions, anti-inflammatory, anti-pruritic, photoprotective, antimicrobial, and as an antioxidant. And what are the additives in the moisturizers? There are many things which are added in the moisturizer. They are called additives. These are the vitamins. Vitamin based moisturizers are there. Another additives are the botanical plants, botanical based moisturizers. Another is the anti-aging agents are also added in the moisturizers. Those are the anti-aging moisturizers. So these moisturizers are very helpful, and it acts as a fuel of the skin, for the skin to maintain their hydration, to maintain their proper functioning of the skin, to maintain the thermoregulation. These moisturizers play a vital role, and it has a very protective, antimicrobial, antipruritic activity. And what are the side effects of moisturizers? Many times, if you use a wrong moisturizer in a wrong skin type, then it gives the side effects. First, we'll understand what are the skin types. Basically, skin is of four types. Number one is the dry skin, another is the normal skin, another is the mixed skin, and fourth one is the oily skin. Depending upon the type of skin, we have to choose a proper moisturizer. If your skin is a dry skin, then you have to use the oil-based moisturizers, which oil-based or humectants or lubricant moisturizers, which help to hydrate your skin. And if your skin is a normal, you can also use vitamin-based moisturizer for that to hydrate the skin. But if your skin is oily or if your skin is mixed, then you should not use the oil-based moisturizers. This oil-based moisturizer on using on the oily skin, they may give rise to cosmetic acne, they may give rise to contact dermatitis, they may give rise to irritant dermatitis. So we have to understand what is the type of our skin, and accordingly we have to choose a proper moisturizer. So moisturizers play a very vital role in the normal maintenance and beautifying of the skin, and moisturizers along with the vitamins, along with the botanical plants, they have the therapeutic value, they enhance the beauty of the skin. So moisturizers must be applied by each and every patient if they have cosmetic problems, to solve the cosmetic problem, and if their skin is normal, to enhance the beauty of their normal skin. Now I would like to add the ingredient based moisturizers. Number one is the vitamin based moisturizers. They are fat soluble vitamin based moisturizers and water soluble vitamin based moisturizers. In fat soluble vitamin based moisturizers, they are vitamin A and vitamin E. Vitamin A, the derivatives of vitamin A is the retinoids, and vitamin E derivatives are the tocopherol. And water soluble based moisturizers, those are vitamin C, which includes ascorbic acid, vitamin B3, which includes the niacinamide, and vitamin B5, which includes the pantothenol. So these are the vitamin based moisturizers which act as a therapeutic in the skin glow and skin beautifying treatments. Others are the botanical based moisturizers. In botanical based moisturizers, aloe vera is used, neem is used, and this also again helps in the hydration of the skin and for the beautifying purpose of the skin. Another ones are the anti-aging agents are used in the moisturizers. Those again are used for the purpose of beautification and for the management of aging treatments. So moisturizers have n number of uses, and skin without moisturizer is just like a vehicle without fuel.